A very good morning to all my dear students, and I wish you all a happy new year. The subject we are going to do today is English literature, and our topic is chapter 10, Be Careful. Now, this story is about a little tiger whose name was Chubby, and he wanted to go and see the world. Means he wanted to move around in the forest, and he wanted to see all the animals, birds, everything. But in the forest there lived a crocodile whose name was Coco, and all the animals had warned him to be careful of the crocodile Coco. Okay, so let's see what happens in the story, how the little tiger is careful, how he learns to be careful. Clear? Be careful. Now, all the children gather around grandma and say, a story, a story. Now, as you know, children are very fond of listening stories from grandma, so they all gather around grandma and they say, tell me a story, tell me a story. Grandma asks, do you want to listen to a jungle story? Now she's asking the children, do you want to listen to about a jungle story? Preeti says, oh yes, a happy one. Preeti is very happy and she says, oh yes, a happy one story. And so grandma begins a story. And now grandma begins a story. Once upon a time, a little tiger named Chubby wanted to see the world. Once upon a time, a little tiger whose name was Chubby wanted to see the world. So he set out on his journey. So he set out means he moved on his journey. On his way, he saw many other animals and birds. Now, when he was moving in the jungle, he saw many animals and birds. Some lived on trees and some under the rocks. Some of them even lived in water. Some lived on the tree and some lived on the rocks. And some even lived in water. Then Chubby met some owls. They told him, Chubby, be careful. You are near the lake. So the owls told him, Chubby, be careful. You are near the lake. Coco the crocodile lives there. Now Coco is who? The crocodile, and he lives there. Coco is always hungry. Coco is always hungry and he is always in search of food. Chubby said, oh yes, I'll be careful. Now what Chubby says, oh yes, I will be very careful. You don't worry. When Chubby reached the lake, Coco gave him a big smile. Now when Chubby he reaches near the lake, can you see in the picture? Coco, the crocodile, gives him a very big smile. Chubby got scared when he saw those rows and rows of teeth. Now he got very scared when he seen so many teeth in the crocodile's mouth. He fell over a log behind him. He fell over a log that was behind him. He fell on that. He got up quickly and saw another crocodile in front of him. Now he gets up quickly and sees another crocodile in front of him. Chubby was really frightened. Chubby became really very frightened. He cried out loudly to his mother. Now what did he do? He cried out very loudly and he called his mother. When anything happens, children get frightened, they call their mothers. Yes or no? So even Chubby did the same thing. His mother heard him. When you fall sick or you fall down from somewhere, you get hurt, you call your mother and your mother hears you. Same thing happened with Chubby. She was near the lake sitting between two rocks. Now she was sitting near the lake between two rocks. You can see in this picture. She roared loudly and the crocodiles heard her. She made a very big noise and the crocodiles heard her. Suddenly, two more tigers came there. Now, suddenly, after that, two more tigers came there, listening to Chubby's. They came out from between the tall grasses under the tree. Now, these tigers, they were hiding behind the tree and they came out from the tall grasses. They were all hiding near the trees and all. The monkeys saw the tigers and started chattering loudly in the trees above. They started making a noise. Who? The monkeys. They saw these tigers and they also started making a noise. Chatter, chatter. They were making a big noise loudly. The crocodiles were upset. Now these crocodiles, they became very upset. They swam back into the lake and went under the water. They swam quietly because they seen all these animals. So they swam quietly and they went into the lake. Turn to the next page. Chubby was very happy to see his mother and elder brother. Now Chubby was very happy when he seen his mother and those tall brothers of his. Okay, his mother kissed him. Now what did his mother? Caught him tight and kissed him. Chubby said, I will never go off alone again. Now, what Chubby said? Sorry, Mama, I will never go again. When you all do a mistake and your mother hugs you and you realize your mistake, what you say? Sorry. So, same way, Chubby also said, I'm sorry, I will never go off alone again. And there ends my story, says Grandma. Now, Grandma ended the story. Okay, is that clear? I'm sure you have all understood this beautiful story of a jungle and a little baby tiger named Chubby, okay, who wanted to move in the forest and seen what happened. So you must all listen to your parents and learn to be careful. I request you all to read this chapter. Is that clear? That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.